Hi guys, my name is Parag and welcome back in my new video. Basically, in this video, we are going to discuss about the total estimation of quantity and a rate of the this building, whatever you can see over here, right? So before proceeding for this video, guys, please do subscribe my channel and visit on my website www.civilnotes.com. This is my new channel where I provide video in English language. If you want any different kind of videos, please comment in the comment box. Okay, so now here we have the plan of 1579 square feet. Okay, and the cost of this particular building we are getting with respect to the all rate analysis as 20.32 lakh rupees. Okay, the labor cost what we are providing for this overall construction is 2,42,771. So the project cost including the labor, material and everything per square feet is 1,287, and the square labor cost is 154, right? So you can see the all quantity, all items which is for a build required for a building construction, and the quantity and respective quantity we have with respect to their cubic bags number respectively. What you have to do is you need to provide a proper rate, okay, and you will get a output like that. Understand? So this particular planning is having a rear opening, bedroom, kitchen, dressing room, bathroom, lobby area, up staircase, parking, and drawing room. So for this, you require the basri of 34.738 cubic, binding wire you require 31.58 kg, bitumen you require 53.686 kg, brick blast you required 14.211 cubic, brick tiles you required 6,316 number, brick tiles you require 30,632 number. Cement bag you required 551 cement of bag. Cement for base course you require 26.843 bags. Cement paint you require 236.85 square meter. CA pipe you require 23.685 meter. Then core sand you require 18.948. Commercial hardwood you required 710 running feet. Earthwork you required 14.211. Fine sand you required 22.106 cubic. Glazed tiles you required 233.692 square meter. Hardwood shutter you required 23.685. For commercial plywood you required 6.316 number, and hardwood shutter required 47.37 number. The iron grills what you required is 394 kg for overall iron construction. Then mild steel is required 3158 kg. Okay, the oil bound distemper with labor is required 663 square meter. Paint work with labor is required 315 square meter. The sand you required 48.94 cubic. Okay, the shuttering work is required 2,368 square feet. Stone blast is 31 cubic and white cement is 1.5 bag. Okay, so overall costing, okay, is cost us 20.32 lakhs including the labor. Okay, and the labor cost is costing 2.42 lakh rupees. Okay, so guys, if you want to use this particular data for this kind of building, you can use this kind of the building pattern. Okay, and provide to your the customers, and it will reduce your work. Thank you so much. Bye bye.